Stay tuned at the end and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, what I found interesting about this Superman ramp is that I could not bring it all the way around. Even though I stayed on full throttle, I could not actually make it do a backflip. That's why I landed in the long grass. It's not like this is built to be a basher, this is built to be a rock racer. But I figured everybody would want me to hit the Superman ramp, isn't that right? They're all leaving a like click right now. Boom, 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 boom. Don't hit it too many times though, because that means then you unliked it. So only hit the like button once, but hit the subscribe button once, hit the bell once, then hit the bell again to get all notifications, then tap your head and rub your belly and jump on one leg to whatever, and you might get to see one of our videos when it's released. Woo! It was on their wheels. It was on its wheels. I made it back.
I'll be honest. I was just looking through the lens. I was looking at the car.
You know what we're looking at right now? Michael Knight.
Yay, Michael Knight!
Okay, so what do I think of the Losi Lasernut? Number one, I am nuts about it. I know, cliche, I'm a dad now, but at the same time, it is absolutely fantastic. One of the things I would like to see on this is maybe a stronger steering servo. I notice when it's not actually in motion, the steering itself is a little weak. Now, do you need it to be turning when you're staying still? Not usually, unless you're trying to, you know, kind of climb up a smaller area going in a smaller speed. But overall, I think the speed for a 3S LiPo is pretty good, and the durability has been fantastic. I broke nothing so far in today's video, and if you guys want, I'll leave a helpful link in the video description box down below. Check it out while you're dropping a like click, and we'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside, my friends, enjoy the sun, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.